Good morning, everybody. AmpRepairGuide.com. My phone number is 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. So today we have a Collins 30L1. I'll show this working after. I'm going to start doing that more often here and there. So the customer always gets a video of the amp working on one band of their choice, but some people want to see videos of amps working on my YouTube page, so I will do that for you guys. So this amplifier is pretty clean. Needs the Harbach board, so I ordered one. I was waiting on that. I'll change that. I'll assemble it and change it out. Then I will change the series glitch resistor. That's the old carbon comp type. I put a different one in there. I'll oil the fan and go through the rest of it. So change the grid loading resistors, the grid mica caps, one cap per tube. So lots of little things. Also compress the socket clips, change the resistor in series with the key line for the biasing, and change the meter lamp bulb and everything else that I normally do. So please stay tuned, and I'm going to get to work. You know, some people have said, why don't you make a long video? You know, if I did a video from start to finish, people would be bored, very bored. It takes hours. So purpose of my videos, like I've said before, is to show the customer the work I've done. So I usually think it's pretty cool to see their amp being worked, to see what I've done to their amp, after I've done the work to their amplifier, and also to show others what they should expect, if they send an amp into me or someone else, because there are a lot of people out there that do the bare minimum and they charge a whole bunch, and they're just setting the person up for a guaranteed future failure. It's going to end up getting sent back over and over again. So when I work on one, I like to do everything that needs to be done so the customer doesn't have to send it back for repair. Preferably will last the rest of the customer's life. So, but I'm going to get to work, and I will see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so the Harbach board has been assembled. This comes as a kit. Soldered all of the components. Awesome kit. Jeff's a really cool guy. There's the old board. See the new cap someone installed. Instead of replacing all, I did one. There's the old rectifier board, the other resistors. So I noticed that is a cold solder joint where the parasitic suppressor meets the tab right here. So I'll take these apart and see if the straps are in good condition. If they're okay, then I'll rewind the parasitic choke portion and reuse the straps. If not, I'll redo these too. But okay, so I'm going to get back to work, and I will see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Removed all of the old grid loading resistors and the old 220 puff grid caps. Be really careful when you do this. Really careful, because you can end up damaging the sockets. So I also compress the socket clips carefully. I clean the input rotary switch with deoxit gold, the TR relay with deoxit gold really well. So I also put some deoxit gold on the tube pins and slip them in and out to clean the inside of the clips. I'll show you the Harbach kit after. So I'm going to get back to work. See you guys soon. There's my phone number and website again. Okay, so I have the 3001 wrapped up. I'm going to go over everything I did. I'm going to put it back together partially, put the tubes in, and show you a power test. Okay, so added the grid loading capacitors. One there, one here, one here. Bleed lengths as short as possible. Compressed all of the clips and the sockets, cleaned them with deoxit gold, added gas discharge tubes, one per side of the parallel filaments. Clean the TR relay with deoxit gold. Check the resistor over here for the bias, and that's good. I rewound parasitic chokes and resoldered everything. This one had a bad solder joint. Straps are in good condition, so I reused those. Purchased, assembled, and installed the Harbach board. Things all soldered well and zip tied nice. Changed the meter lamp bulb. Put a new series glitch resistor in, a 10 ohm, 10 watt. Clean the rotary switches with deoxit gold also. The input rotary switch, output rotary / band switch. So now I'm going to put the side cover on. Resecure this to the side. I have the front panel and bubble wrap. I'm always super careful with people's amplifiers. Put the put the tubes in, and I'll fire it up and start testing it. So need to put a plug on the end. So customer provided a new one, so I'll do that. It's right here. Work on a lot of amps here. I have to clean up or organize after this one, but you know, I've always heard this saying, you know, beware of a shop that has a super clean bench. That means they're probably not that busy, or they, you know, take a while to work on one. And I go through a lot of amps. A lot of amps have passed over this bench. So it's just me. You know, I know where everything is, and nothing gets touched or damaged. And I've been doing this a long time, so stay tuned, and I will see you guys shortly. Okay, so I have the 3001 fired up. Take note, you always have to have these two panels on and the bottom panel on, because they're 3 high voltage crowbar circuits that'll put a direct short on the plate supply. So I have it tuned up for 75 meters. I'll show the frequency after. Got the 1 kW slug in here. I'm going to make it do 600 watts. This is a 1 kW PEP input amp. So about 600 watts output. Some people push it harder. Okay, so I have radio set to about 40 watts. Key the amplifier with the foot pedal. Audio hello, audio hello, audio hello, 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 hello. Audio hello, hello, hello. Put it on DC amps. Audio hello, hello, hello. And she works as she should. So I'm going to finish testing all of the other bands, work my way up, and let it cool off, take the tubes out, put it back together. These are a lot of fun to take apart, put back together. But very, very well built. Just the case is just awesome. Okay, so I'm going to get back to this, and I'll see you guys soon. Actually, no, you won't see me because this is the last video. So thanks for watching. It's my phone number and my website. Normally sorry, long day, I get up early. Already shipped an amp, shipped the capacitor, some other stuff, finished this up, so anyway, normally I do the power test and then open it up, but so that's it. Thanks for watching. If you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. Thanks for watching. 73. Catch you later.